How long have you been attending the 7x24 Exchange events?
You know, this is my first event, and it's terrific. I've attended, other conferences with other groups throughout the years, but it's my first 7x24.
And what's going to keep you coming back?
Well, the programs and the information communicated is, for me, that's the draw. In addition to seeing friends here and business colleagues and others that I interface with in the business.
What types of individuals have you met here?
Well, gee, I'm meeting a lot of people on the board and presidents of other chapters of 7x24. I was just recently elected president of the Southern California chapter, which is being reformed. And so, meeting with other 7x24 representatives has been really helpful. But then I'm meeting lots of people from other companies, from vendors and from other operators and enterprises.
So how do you really see that the attendee experience has helped you?
Well, again, for me, it's really knowledge-based. Just sitting through the first presentation, the pre-conference presentation yesterday was incredibly interesting. Learning about new DOE standards, measurements, different concepts in power utilization, how to improve that. And then, again, meeting new people that hopefully I'll either do business with in the future or can refer business to in the future. That's the draw for me. Again, it's increasing my network of people and then increasing my understanding of the business and learning more, because you can't stop learning in this business.
What do you think is the biggest challenge facing data centers today?
In my mind, it's certainly power. The utilization of power and becoming more efficient within the data center environment it's probably the biggest challenge, from everything that I'm reading and all the people that I speak with and the clients that I represent.
How would you describe the networking and educational opportunities that you've found here at the 7x24 Exchange?
Well, it's incomparable, because you're in an environment where the highest value is placed on education, on knowledge sharing. And without that, that's the primary driver, I think, for most people here. What they're trying to do is raise their level of understanding and their breadth of knowledge within the business of all technologies and how those technologies improve what we do and improve the operations of what we do. And then, just networking with people that are in the business. This is it's a fairly small community if you look at this in comparison with every other business community throughout the world, but it's a sector that drives business. It's the one sector right now in the economy that's really growing. So we've got a lot in common with each other, and those commonalities, I think, they're important in creating a richer experience here and a driver to the event.
What distinguishes the 7x24 Exchange conferences from other industry events that you've attended?
Well, I think here, at least for me, although it certainly helps to have the vendor support, that's essential for the organization, and to understand what technologies are available. But for me, it's more of a vendor-neutral environment because, again, the emphasis is placed on true education. It's not, I don't think it's meant to be, a platform for sales of any particular item, technology, or company. Again, the mission statement is for knowledge sharing.